Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix the login error of your Uber. So there could be few things that might have caused this problem. So in this video I'll show you the possible solution to fix your login error. So as you can see, this is the Uber app, and right now I'm not logged into any of my accounts. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be a cause. So to solve this problem, you need to go to the App Store or Play Store. So open your Play Store or your App Store. Now once you reach this page, on the address bar type the name of the app of which you want to fix the login error of. So that's Uber for us. Here type Uber and then open it. So now check whether any update is available or not. If updates are available, then update your app, and once you have updated your app, try logging in, and that will fix your login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, we have another solution as well. For another solution, let's go to the settings. So once again, let's go back to our home page, and here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the option with app. Open it, and now you can manually search for the app by scrolling, or you can directly search for the app by tapping on the search icon which is on the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it and now type the name of the app and then open it. Now tap on the storage option. So here, next thing is to clear the cache of your Uber app. To clear the cache, you will see your option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then your cache will be cleared. After your cache is cleared, try re-logging in, and that will also fix your login error. Now if both of these solutions does not work for you, the easiest solution is, wait, I'll show you. Go back to your home page, and now the easiest solution I was talking about is to uninstall your app and reinstall it. So the process of uninstalling our app is very easy. Just long press on the app, then you will see a pop-up, and here tap on the uninstall option, and that's how your app will be uninstalled. To reinstall your app, go to your Play Store or App Store, type the name of the app which you have uninstalled, and then reinstall it. So once you have reinstalled your app, try logging in, and that will also fix your login errors. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.